Hey guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. So today I'm gonna be reviewing some parathas that my middle sister made. I'm excited to eat some parathas. I gotta start with some water. So without any further ado, let's get started. Guys, I'm gonna go with this one big bite, and there's some tomato chutney. I'm gonna dip it in. Alright, let's go. Bon appetit. Bursting. Guys, I'm gonna dip it in some achar. I'm gonna use mango achar. This is tangy. Guys, I want to share a thought with you guys that imagine hating on people who are just like casually making videos on YouTube while doing stuff like making mukbang or maybe making some documentary on it, and you guys are like sweating on the room and just like complaining about the video, like how that video is so absurd about it. Guys, this so like this is so cringe. Like imagine hitting on people, and you are just sitting on a room sweating in a tiny room. This is absurd. Nevertheless, and those people are like they are all grown up. They are not even teenagers. Like they are old ass shit people. Busting. Though I didn't wanted to make a video, a solo move, I didn't plan to do so, but like the paratha was looking so damn fire, so I couldn't stop myself. I'm gonna do a speed run, so you guys don't have to get bored with me. So you guys have to bear with me a little while. Maturity doesn't mean that you are old. Maturity means like that you are like, imagine you are vulnerable about it, that you are hating on people who makes online videos, or maybe some like, or maybe you are just jealous. Maturity means you just make things happen and accept it what it is. Hating on people for being themselves is absurd too. Like they are being real, they are not adapting any fake personality. This is good, actually. I think I'm getting full. I'm sweating buckets, by this is my last bite. That's tangy. So guys, I ate 4 parathas and it was awesome, and that chutney was hella spicy, but I can deal with it. So that's it for today, and I'm gonna be back with my elder sister to do another mukbang, and it might be a bombshell. So Well, that's it for today. Peace out.